Hi, my name is Layla and I work in product management, and I'm going to show you how to use the stamp feature. And this is useful if you want to add a watermark onto an original. So first, we'll take our original and place it into the document feeder. Then, we'll select the Copy app. In the bottom left corner, select Others and select Stamp. Here, we'll have a few options, but to get to the watermark option, we'll select the right arrow and select the Watermark tab. Then we have a few selections of text, and we'll select Confidential as our example. If we want to change the detail of this, we'll select the Detail button, and we can either change the print color, the angle, or the page is printed on. If we want to change the print color, we have a few options, and we can also change the exposure. Once we're happy with how everything looks, we'll select Start. Then, we'll grab our output, and as you can see, our watermark is on our copy. And that is how you use the stamp feature.